Good morning students, welcome to Blue Star High Secondary School, Class 8, Subject English. Yesterday we saw a supplementary reader. Based on that, today we are going to write our classwork note. So take your classwork note, write an index page, supplementary reader, D, pressure within. Okay, after completing this, you have to take a fresh page, draw a double line like this, write supplementary, D, pressure within. Okay. Room letter 1, mind map. Hafiz was an unhappy but carefree schoolboy. He was not interested in mechanical learning. Principal advice had a deep influence on Hafiz. He scored 50% marks in SSC exam. Hafiz was destined to be an architect, though he never tried. By chance, he became a famous architect. Every child is different from other children in his or her style of learning. Room letter 2, identify the character or speaker. Underline the word, identify the character or speaker. Then number 1, I used to have this terrible nightmare. Hafiz, contractor. Second one, you never felt insecure or threatened. Bella Raja. After completing this, you have to draw a double line. Then room letter 3, match the following. First one, game, sports, terrible nightmare, Hafiz, contractor. Third one, SSC exam, 50% mark. Editor of Sparsh, Bella Raja. Physics, mind. Room letter 4. After completing this, you have to draw a double line. Then room letter 4, choose. His terrible nightmare was about a maths exam. English exam, Tamil exam, maths exam, science exam. Which exam? Maths exam. The unusual blessing of Hafiz was the photographic memory. Photographic memory, photo taking memory, photo editing. Which one? Photographic memory. Third one, Hafiz was careless in his studies. Hafiz, principal, Bella Raja. Which one? Hafiz. Fourth one, he chose between French and German. English and Tamil, French and German, Maths and French. French and German. Fifth one, Mrs. Gupta advised him to become an architect. Mrs. Gupta. Mrs. Gupta, principal, Bella Raja. Which one? Mrs. Gupta. Room letter 5, jumbled sentence. Underline the word jumbled sentence. He scored 50% marks in SSC. Second one, principal advice had a deep influence on Hafiz. You have to write the question in black and answers in blue. Okay? Hafiz was an unhappy but carefree schoolboy. He was destined to be an architect, though he never tried. By chance, he became a famous architect. He was not interested in mechanical learning. So the answers are, first one, Hafiz was an unhappy but carefree schoolboy. He was not interested in mechanical learning. Principal's advice had a deep influence on Hafiz. He scored 50% marks in SSC exam. Hafiz was destined to be an architect, though he never tried. By chance he became a famous architect. Sixth one, idioms. Here there is the meaning for this idioms, so you have to write only the meanings for this idioms. In previous we wrote the sentence also, but here we only wrote the meaning of this idioms. So the cherry on the cake, the final thing that makes something perfect. Second one, top banana, the boss. Third one, to pop one's cherry, to do something for the first time, to do something for the first time. Fourth one, break a leg, good luck. Fifth one, mumbo jumbo, to call something total nonsense. Sixth one, see eye to eye, agree. After completing this, you have to draw a double line. Then Roman letter 7, translation. You must walk before run. சிந்தித்து செயல்படு. Second one, effort never fail, முயற்சி திருவினையாக்கும். Third one, perseverance kills the game, ஊக்கமது கைவிடேல். Roman letter 8, gender. It concerns